So today I have something very special for you guys. Today I'm filming the 2021 Ram TRX, and unfortunately I'm not able to drive this vehicle because it's the first one that the dealership has in stock, and unfortunately it's not even for sale. So if you guys are looking to purchase this, you can't buy it as of this filming. But looking here at the front fascia of the TRX, this truck is handsome. It's aggressive. It actually sits higher compared to a normal 1500. The headlights here are going to be full LEDs. It's going to be standard equipment. I like that Ram has the name spelled out. It does have this mustache effect here in the front fascia. Of course, all this is functional to cool that 6.2 liter. Down here is going to be front parking sensors, skid plate, tow hooks, and Ram even throws in these full LED fault lights here. But making our way to the side profile here. Before we make to the side profile, looking at the hood bulge, it does say TRX. That's also your 6.2 liter supercharged badge there. This is LED side marker here on the mirror cap. Down here's your Ram badge. And up top, Ram does throw in this panoramic sunroof here for around $1,500. Looking at the window sticker here real quick, it does say the 2021 Ram 1500 TRX crew cab. It does have four-wheel drive system. It starts at $69,995. It does have some options here. I'm gonna let you guys look at the options here on the window back there. On the window sheet here. My tester here has an as tested price of $94,435. Fuel economy, it's not this vehicle's strong suit. 10 in the city, 14 on the highway, and 12 combined. So it doesn't get the best fuel economy. But making our way to the rear here of the TRX, as you guys can see, this thing does have these aggressive fenders here. That's your TRX sticker there. Full LED tail lights, of course, with blind spot monitoring. TRX badge, which is here, your Ram badge. But it's spelled out, it does have the 4x4 drive system. Down here is just your 7 and 4 pin connector, your trailer hitch. This does have some massive dual tip exhaust. Sorry if that's inappropriate for YouTube, but that thing is massive. Rear parking sensors, also with rear tow hooks. There's even a full spare tire underneath the truck there. And Ram says you can tow around 80, 100 pounds. This does have a soft opening tailgate. It does come with a spray-on bed liner, as you guys can see. Like I mentioned, this thing does have a tonneau cover. But let's hop into the interior really quick. Here you have the TRX. Looking at this interior, it's really nice. These seats are aggressively bolstered compared to a normal 1500. Your headlight controls are here, dimmer switches, leather on the window trim, red stitching. This does have the Harman and Kardon sound system, 2-person memory seats. I like the suede Alcantara here, nice grab handle. Your window controls are here. You can also power fold these massive mirrors, and these mirrors are freaking massive. You can fold them in and out. Like I mentioned, my Tesla does have a standard sunroof, or panoramic sunroof, which is a charge. My apologies, but it does have the same gauge cluster as a normal 1500. You got these side steps here, actual real metal side step. Your seating adjustment controls are there. This does have a flat bottom wheel design, but getting in here really quick, this thing sits high. Like I mentioned, it sits higher compared to a standard 1500 here. My apologies for the low lighting, but it's really dark in here. This does also have a rear view camera mirror. If the TRX was on, I would show you guys that, but apparently I can't turn it on because I'm inside the showroom. I don't want to have everyone breathing in carbon dioxide. But looking here, there's the push button start. I do have the key fob here in my pocket really quick. Let me grab it for you guys. Honestly, I'm super excited. I see this thing all over the internet. I see other journalists driving it and jumping this thing, and honestly, I'm really excited. Looking at the key fob here, this is the TRX key. As you guys can see, it does have unlock, remote start. You can also let down the tailgate. And there's a panic button. The key feels nice and sturdy. There's some suede Alcantara here. There's also this plaque to let you know what number that this TRX is. And this is number... Oh, my apologies. It does not say the actual number, which number it is. It does tell you the VIN, the boost pressure, which does have 11 PSI. This does have the trailer store assist. There are some auxiliary ports over here. Like I mentioned, my apologies for the low lighting. There's some carbon fiber, real leather, real stitching in here. Some suede Alcantara over here on the door panel, like I mentioned. There's even these beautiful paddle shifters here. It does have adaptive cruise control. There is a launch function. This is the only truck that a manufacturer makes that actually has freaking launch control. I know you guys are used to that rotary dial shifter here, but Ram gives you this traditional shifter. There's two USB-Cs, also a USB port. There's your wireless phone charger here. There's your TRX name, which is spelled out here in the glove compartment. There's 2-level storage here. The glove compartment does have a decent size. Designed with felt. The seats in here, they're aggressively bolstered compared to a normal 1500. Like I mentioned, more of that suede Alcantara, real leather. Cup holders here, you can open and close that. More carbon fiber exposed. open up the center armrest here. It's a really large amount of storage here. This also has a 2-tier storage. As you guys can see, you open up this and then open up that. So it does have a decent amount of storage here in this pickup truck. But overall, I'm impressed, but there's 2 cup holders here with more carbon fiber. But let's hop into the back seat really quick. Hopefully, I could get back there because you guys can see this thing has some boxes in the back. But getting back here, this truck is freaking massive. Look, I'm only 5'8", and I'm legit not even basically nowhere near like getting in this truck by myself. Thank God for these running boards here. But getting back here, this has the most legroom here in the segment at 45 inches of legroom compared to the Ford Raptor, which gets around like 42 or 43 inches of legroom. This is the accessories here, which is the floor mat, so you can keep this thing clean if you do want to keep it clean. Of course, you guys know that the 1500 can fold the seats down and whatnot. But let's take a look underneath the hood here of the 1500. I mean, the TRX, I'm so sorry. Well, same thing, 1500 TRX. But let's see what powers this thing here. Of course, like I mentioned, this has the company's 6.2 liter. It makes 702 horsepower and 650 pound feet of torque. Underneath this cover here, there is a TRX eating a Raptor. So basically, that's like a little Easter egg that the TRX has here, basically to show that they're not playing with Ford. This does have the 8-speed automatic transmission, and you guys are wondering what this is for. This is for cooling, to keep this thing cool so it doesn't overheat. Like I mentioned, it makes over 702 horsepower. And look, I could barely grab the hood here. I have to basically tippy toe. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this quick first look here at the all-new 2021 Ram TRX. Like I mentioned, this thing stickers for $94,435. So if you guys have a lot of money to play, this pickup truck is serious, even though sometimes it could be, well, me personally, I feel like it's overpriced, but for the performance and what that Ram offers, this is really right on par with the Ford Raptor, which is another expensive off-road vehicle here. But if you guys are looking to purchase one of these, you guys should check out Dadeland, Chrysler, Jeep, and Ram website. I'll put it all down in the description box down below. But this is the only one that they have, and like I mentioned, this vehicle is not for sale. So basically, you guys have to wait until they get more in stock. But I hope you guys have enjoyed my first look here on the 2021 Ram TRX. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at DriveOnReviews, and please keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I catch you all in the next video. And shout out to Trina over there.